What kind of lawyer is best for a divorce? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. When you talk about a lawyer for divorce, you got to keep it in mind that there are several things that go on during a divorce which may dictate the kind of lawyer that you get. You really should get someone who has broad family law background as opposed to someone who has limited divorce background. Remember one thing, a divorce is a subset of the broader picture, which is family law. So for example, family law may involve custody. Now you've got your divorce lawyers who won't handle custody disputes. They'll only handle the property division. They'll only handle when there's no kids. There are limitations. So you got to be careful. If you're going to get a divorce and there's children, for example, you want to get somebody who's a family law attorney because they will have knowledge about the custody and the parenting time and the child support and all the other issues as well. You want somebody who has trial experience. That is to say, somebody who's used to going into the courtroom and handling things before the judge. I was once talking to an attorney and he told me, I was describing his practice to me, and he said that he had 18 cases in his docket, but he lost 16 of them. And I said to him, how the heck do you lose 16 out of 18 cases? He said, no, I didn't lose them by verdict. I lost them in that I couldn't handle the file, so the client's left to another lawyer. And I said, well, what is it complicated about it that you couldn't handle it? I was just very surprised. And he said to me, well, I handled it up until a point, but once it became obvious that it'd have to go before the court, at that point, I don't do that anymore. Then they had to go elsewhere. So it's important to make sure that you get lawyers who are comfortable handling things routinely before the court. That becomes very important when you're choosing a family lawyer. So with your first consultation, you should get this information and make sure you're talking to the kind of law firm that either you're talking to lawyers themselves or you're talking to the kind of people whose lawyers handle family law, handle custody, are in court routinely. This is the kind of lawyer that you need to handle your divorce. If you have questions about your specific case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-33